Okay. Okay.
Hello, and today we are talking about rainforest with my sister.
Rainforest is a very, very large topic if you like to talk.
Yeah.
But of course, if you want to talk about rainforest, I
Yeah.
very love to talk with you about it immediately. So, first of all, your turn. Tell me what you know, what you see, what you find about the rainforest, about the creatures, about the plant, about the animals, the fauna, the flora. Say it.
I know about rainforest because they are very big forests that have many animals live in. The trees, plants, and many types of animals. The birds, tigers, lions, and many disgusting creatures.
What else?
And many plants in the forest have weeds and flowers. I don't know much of the types of the flowers, but that means they have many types of flowers. They have many fruits in the trees, so they can keep the animals stay safe. But some people make a very large fire in the rainforest. The trees burn and burn, and the animals don't have anything to live. The animal will die, and they don't have much food for food for many animals that eat meat like lion, tigers, cheetahs, and I know much of insects like dragonfly, spiders, grasshoppers, beetles, cockroaches, yeah,
Cockroaches.
worms and caterpillar.
What else?
Caterpillars?
Okay, I understand your effort. I can see that you very understand about the rainforest.
Yeah.
Find a lot about them. This you find a lot of information. You hear a lot, right?
Yeah.
But tell me, why it is called the rainforest?
Because they have many winds and rivers, and because the rains always flood in the rainforest and make the plants grow and grow into very big trees. That the animals in the rainforest will stay very comfortable in the forest, and no one have to make the animal die like a hunter.
Wow, I can see you say about the hunter. I mean, there's also the predator in the forest, not only human, but also the predator. Like lion, like cheetah, like tiger, anything else.
Alligator.
Yes, the alligator. Tell me, what is the biggest rainforest in the world?
Amazons.
Why do you know it's the biggest? What? Amazon support our human health, our global, our earth. What is the role
Amazon is the biggest forest in the world. The forest very dangerous because they have the biggest spider has poisons and like a frog has poison and the thing that it called.
Okay, I don't care about the Vietnamese.
Oh, sorry.
Say more.
And they have many disgusting and dangerous creatures. Long ago in the forest, it had the biggest dragonflies. It eat beetles, slugs, and other dragonflies.
Oh, really? Oh, I love to say that you like to see about the insect in the rainforest.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yes, I love the insects in the rainforest too because it is very, very diverse, right?
Very.
Yes, there's many species.
But I want to discover the rainforest, but I just care about many scary and dangerous creatures and animals in the rainforest. It has fire ants and some that bite very ouch. They're like snakes.
Okay.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Yes. And if you see any like bear, you can see many dangerous insects in the rainforest.
Like
This have venom. They have many venoms, right?
king cobra.
Tell me about the dangerous species in the rainforest.
Okay.
Tell me how dangerous it is, how they release the venom to kill people.
King cobra is a very big snake. Why can the snake put the poisons to its teeth? And in the head of a snake, it have a lab, and it's called poison lab. And when they bite the protect, they will protect and bite the prey or predators, and they will make a very different kind of poison to its teeth, and the poisons will go into our hearts, and the poisons it have many dead and dangerous, make the heart we slow and sometimes we have to go to hospital a few months or week, or some people have a bite of king cobra will die in a few minutes. And like the biggest spider in the world live in the Amazon's rainforest. The spiders have poison in its claws when the predators want to eat the spider. it will bite to a hand, a body, and a protector, and
Predator.
predators,
Yes.
and make the poison go into the body of the predators.
Okay, very good. I love your idea, and I love how you can show me your idea. Like people very hard to explain about their ideas. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
But you can understand it very clearly. No, you can say it very clearly, which is perfect. I love to hear and to talk with you. Yes, I want to say that I love this talk show very much. Thank you
Okay.
for talk to me because it's very intelligent boy.
So can we end the story today?